Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today, we will discuss lost your job, now what? In today's job market, job security is fast becoming a thing of the past. Millions of people have lost their job to the coronavirus, and the figure is on the rise. So you're not alone here, so don't be discouraged. But depending on how long you were at your last job, you may find that you are somewhat rusty when it comes to how to look for a job in today's environment. The first thing is to realize that being laid off, it really is not the end of the world. I know it feels like it is, but in fact, it might even turn out to be a blessing in disguise, a mandatory career change, if you will. Utilize it as a chance to reflect on why you were laid off and what the next stage is. Getting laid off can happen to anyone, of course, but if you want to turn the situation into a productive, positive one, you will need to face the facts and understand why this happened to you in particular. Of course, no one could have predicted an epidemic would cause the unemployment mess that we're currently in. Go through a self-analysis of why this happened to you. Could it have been avoided or not? Even if you lost your job due to the coronavirus, there are still things that you can learn from this. All of this is required to ensure that your next move and job market strategy has a realistic and factual foundation. The last thing you want to do is keep at an industry which is becoming extinct. So as you put together your job market strategy and decide what job options to pursue and whether to diversify or stay within the same industry, you may discover that you're a bit rusty in your job market awareness as well. There are key things you need to be aware of if you're going to be successful to successfully achieve your job goal. For instance, never put on your job application that you were laid off, as this will raise unanswered questions as to why you were laid off. You will have time to explain the reasons once you get your foot in the door for a face-to-face interview. A great tip is to write end of contract on your applications. Not laid off, but end of contract. This is playing it safe and it's factual. Whatever you do in seeking work, make sure you take charge of your life and show your best side to prospective employers. With the right plan and a great resume, your success is absolutely certain. Now, however, to achieve it, you must have the appropriate job marketing skills. Stay positive, take care of your mental health, and create an action plan. Do these things and you will get hired. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.